All right, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be taking a look at Base44's newest updates that they have brought to the platform. We can come over here and take a look at pricing. It is Black Friday week. I'm not seeing any specials that they're running. That must mean they are doing really well. People are joining the platform and they feel like they have really good pricing for what you get. So I'm not really seeing any Black Friday pricing. I'm an affiliate. I didn't get any emails with special codes or anything like that for you. I just wanted to share the pricing right now. I'm currently on the builder plan. It's $50 a month and I'm paying monthly for it. You can save 20% per year if you buy it for the entire year. While I was building a bunch of apps, I actually ended up going to the $100 a month plan. So the pro plan right here. But I think that if you're going to build heavily, the pro plan is going to work great for you. Once you have all your apps built and you just need to maintain them and so forth, and maybe you're doing some light building, I think that the best plan to be on is the builder plan because it allows you to use the backend functions. That's a really big one. If you want to add third-party APIs like YouTube or anything like that, or you want to connect a custom domain, GitHub integration, in-app code edits, unlimited number of apps, this one really unlocks the full functionality of the tool. So I definitely recommend the builder plan. There will be a link below if you want to check it out. You can sign up for free and get started for free. Once you realize the power of Base44 building your apps with vibe coding, you can naturally progress to the starter plan. Eventually, you're going to settle on the $50 a month plan. But remember what this does. It houses every single thing that you need, your databases, your front and back end of your app, third-party APIs, all the functionality, authentication for your apps, payment will be built in, payment integration. So you basically have everything under one roof. If you paid for your databases and you paid for all this stuff separately, you're going to be well over $50 per month. So you really need to take that into consideration. Let's go take a look over here what they've actually got. This is an email I got the other day. The first thing is shop plus sell in the template marketplace. Creators on the builder tier or higher. So that's the plan that I'm on right now. Now, what you can do is you can actually build an app or a template, and then you can actually put that up for sale for whatever price you want. And you can put that on their marketplace. We'll go take a look at the marketplace. This opens up a brand new way to earn from the work that you're putting in with app creation. You can actually just build apps and sell them on Base44's marketplace, which is super cool. So template marketplace, let's go take a look at what this looks like. I'm logged into my account here. We have apps, integrations, and app templates. So we can click on that and it brings up an app template library where you can now see they have a sorting, so free or paid option. So you can put some app templates in there for free. You can look at paid options, owned by everyone, owned by me, or not owned by me. So you can come in here if you're starting to put up a lot of these. You can look at the ones that you put up, and you can also sort this by quite a bit of languages as well. I just wanted to see if this infinite scroll, so we really don't know how many apps it actually has. Okay, so I finally went there. No more apps to load. It looks like they've probably got about 100 apps in there. This is just released a couple days ago. You can see that right over here. So there's content generation, course Spark. It's $10. You can go and click on it, and it's going to give you some information. It's going to have multiple screenshots of what you're getting. An AI course creator, an AI learning assistant, AI notes generator, unlimited learning, personal storefront, and AI resume builder. Looks like this comes with, there's 100, I don't know what the 168 usage is. So that means that did 168 people already purchase this? And if that's the case, we can go do a little bit of math. So it's 168 times 10. They've already made $1,600 from putting this up here. This could be an opportunity for sure. You can keep scrolling through and see what some of the apps inside look like. All of the coding and the template would already be done for you, which is really good, right? You'd be able to come in here and build your app within. This truly opens up. This is, a couple clicks of a button, and for $10, you've got your template. You can easily change the colors, change a couple things around, and then boom, you've got your app. I'm gonna click over here. So Spark AI. And this is where you would go and log in and take it for a ride and test it out. Really cool. We can come over here, skills, sprint, master, new skills and minutes. So this one's $99. Again, did we have this many sales? I'm not really sure, but this one is $99 to pick it up. You can master new skills in minutes a day with personalized learning paths, AI-powered tutoring, and engaging micro lessons. Boost your career and personal growth with Skill Sprint. It does say 218 usages. And like I said, I don't know if that's like there's 218 different use cases for this, or is it 200 sales? I'm not really sure about that. I'd probably have to reach out to them and see what that actually means, like what the 218 usages. You can scroll through and see what this app looks like on mobile. AI learning path right here. Then you can see the skills library and all the different courses in there and so forth. Let's go look and see if we can find something else. You can sort it by marketing and sales, operations, data, and analytics. Let's click on data analytics right here. I would say that by looking at these other apps where the usages is at 0 on a lot of these apps, to me, that means they haven't been purchased yet or used. So I would make the assumption that, and then you have some of these with 1, so they've been purchased once. And then you come up here, maybe this one, right, 28 times this app, Genius app. It's also sorted automatically by the most popular based on usage. So I would say that's probably an indication of how many people have purchased it, in my opinion, if I had to make a guess on that. So discover amazing applications and manage your listings. We have a hyper-realistic NASA 3D Earth model for $10, a Wellness Pulse app for $10. We can take a look at that as well. They have an HR Master app over there as well. More screenshots right here. If you know anything about selling on marketplaces, if you've ever sold on Etsy, you would know that like, hey, when we open up this listing right here, there's things that could be done better, which right here, right off the bat, successful apps that are selling have a lot more screenshots. This is all we see right here. They should have added more screenshots. That's one thing that they could do to sell their app more. Maybe a little better description right here as well. But certainly you can start actually making your account look better, making the listing look better, and then you can sell some apps. So maybe, perhaps I will be creating something and putting it up here and just seeing, hey, if I could make a couple sales. Some of these have some really nice graphics. Excel Genie, Excel superpowers, describe what you want to do or upload your spreadsheet and we'll generate the formulas and steps you need instantly. Really cool stuff right here. Income tracker app that hasn't been purchased either. We'll take a look at this last one. Certainly some cool stuff here. Effortlessly track your active and passive income sources, visualize your financial performance, and gain valuable insights to manage your money better. One thing I would like to see is, now they do have 2 screenshots, which is great. That's pretty cool. I like that. But what I would like to see is maybe, how the app actually works, right? It's down an arrow on that one right there. So that one's not going to make sales when you click on the view app and nothing happens. But this is pretty dang cool. This is like literally just a couple days in the making. And you can see all these apps right here. It seems like some of them are actually selling. Like that one's 5 sales, 2 sales right there. 25 sales right here, Connect Neighbor app, App Genius Store app right there. And then this Gourmet Go app right here. You could go out and start selling this as a service, find local restaurants and convert their website into a mobile friendly ordering system. You could actually do a bunch of stuff with this. That's the first major announcement. I'm not sure if I've heard of any other platforms quite like this. Not only can you come in here and have this amazing vibe coding, create your own app using AI type of situation, but then also you can actually put your app up on Base44's platform and sell the app template, which is really cool. And I like to come over here and hover over and just app.base44.com, right? So this is literally Base44 and it's getting almost 6 million visitors per month. I want to give you guys a little bit of context into that, right? So Wix owns Base44, but Wix, let's go over to Wix real quick just to kind of reverse engineer this. I'm going to go to Wix. We're going to go to their main website. And you can see that they get 36 million visitors per month to Wix.com. And then they have this little itty bitty app that they purchased for $80 million. And it's already getting 6 million visitors per month. Put that into context. This is a huge marketplace right now, which is apps, creating apps using AI, selling them, building an entire business empire around that, or building apps and becoming a vibe coder and / developer. And then you can build apps for other people, freelance this, sell your services on Upwork or Fiverr. You could email businesses and say, hey, I'll create a better app for you. Or, hey, I noticed you have a website. It looks really out to date. Hey, I can update your website and make it really modern. Spend an hour hour or two building a really nice local app, like maybe for plumbers or something like that. Then go out after all the plumbers in one local area. And I guarantee you plumbing, like the plumbing industry, they do not have nice websites. Go out there and say, hey, I can make your ordering and your lead gen way better. Your website's going to look a lot better. Here's what I can do for you. You can also charge lower prices because you don't need to, company wants to go out there and hire a developer in the traditional sense. They're going to be spending $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 on a new renovated website that might not even look as good as what Base44 can build for them. You could go out there and say, hey, I'll do it for $3,000 and I'll be done in 2 days or something like that, right? So there's so much you can do, but this is a very popular app. So when there's 6 million people coming here, you better believe that there's going to be more and more apps becoming available. I do think they're going to even need to do this is just a couple days in the making, but they're going to have to continue to add more filters and possibly reviews from people that use the app, and then they can leave reviews and a better rating system so you can truly find the app you are looking for. But again, that's a super cool feature that I haven't seen anybody else do. The second major update that they've just released was you can supercharge your build with Gemini 3. If you haven't tried Google Gemini's much awaited Gemini 3 yet, now you can. It's officially available in Base44. So Gemini 3 just came out. Enjoy sharper responses, cleaner outputs, and beautifully organized results from simpler prompts. It's faster, more fluid, and instantly elevates your workflow. So that is Gemini 3. Let's go take a look. Let's go to apps. You can see we have a bunch of apps here. Click on Base44, select it, go to Gemini 3 Pro. What's so cool about this, guys, is that you don't have to have a $20 monthly subscription to Gemini to get Gemini 3. If you're developing apps with Base44, you automatically get access to Gemini 3 Pro via Base44 to build your apps for you and code for you. And you don't have to, have this synced with your account or anything like that. So it's saving you another $20 a month because they're giving you access to that. So let's just go create something. Create a simple note-taking app with ability to save notes and put them into custom categories. I'm just going to literally go like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and click this. So that's something I'm noticing is a little different. I'm not seeing how they normally have the ability to select the style of how you want it to look. But right here, I'm going to say, make it look like Gumroad site style, something like that, right? And then I'm going to leave it really simple right there. We are using Gemini. It's going to go out there and build this app right in front of us. Okay, perfect. We have our app built very quickly. You can see right over here, we literally just put in right here, it's called Gum Notes. So create a simple note-taking app with the ability to save notes and put them into custom categories. Make it look like a Gumroad site style. So you can already see it's smart enough to know Gumroad, the site. Right over here, if you guys don't know what that is, we'll come over here, Gumroad. Right here. So this is a big popular site right over here where you can sell digital products and so forth. You can see they have their own kind of artistic style. They use a lot of pinks and have their own unique style. Now we can see how fast it actually thought for 10 seconds. Then it said, I'll create a bold Gumroad inspired note-taking app featured neo-brutalist design with the thick borders, vibrant colors, and hard shadows. It gives you a plan. It created all these major modules right here. And then it created all of this for us right here as well. So it also added some sample notes for you to start with. You can access the app at the root URL. You can search for apps, no notes found, Gumroad or Gum Notes right there. So let's take a look at our app right over here. I also like to go like this so we can see what this would look like. So let's just say keto meal. We'll create a category and this will be keto breakfast. So that's going to be the category. So then maybe this is like a keto blueberry muffin. And let's just say that it's 1 cup almond flour. And I would just continue to put that in right there. And notice the highlight is pink. That's kind of cool. We can also say publish note. So we have our first note. Let's see, I'm not seeing the note over here. We'll go over to discover, Let's go over here. So then you can see over here, it didn't save. I created a note and it did not save. Make sure we have a proper database created to save new categories and notes. And you'll push enter. Base44 will say thinking, and it'll come back and start making some adjustments for us. They've also come out with this connect to tools in one click easily. We've made integrations effortless with our new connectors. You can now instantly link your go-to tools like Google Calendar, Notion, Slack, and Salesforce right inside of the builder. Just prompt click in your connected, no keys, no code, no stress. You can set up connectors. They'll show you how to do that. They've also made this easy navigate pages like a pro. You can see right over here, it's actually fixing that right there. But those pages are right up here. Okay, so it does say that it updated the app correctly, handling saving notes and categories. This is just the way that you vibe code. It doesn't always work the way that you want, and then you tell it what's not working, tell it what to fix. Let's go and try this again. I'm just going to say test, and we have our category new. We're just going to type in keto, enter, and test note, and I'm going to publish. Right over here, you'll see that this little page, if we have more pages within our app, you can quickly get to those pages by this thing up here. I don't have any other pages in here. We can actually go and take a look at another app if I remember, but when you left click on this, you'll have different pages right here as well. Then you have your tweak your design with ease. Our upgraded visual edit bar makes tweaking your UI easier than ever. You can now jump straight to component code, adjust border radius, opacity under changes in one click. Now that's been around for a while, but they've improved it and made it even more robust. So those are the main updates. We'll come over here real quick. Perfect. So we fixed this. This is what this looks like. So let's go create some notes now. We can go over here and I'm just going to go in ideas and publish that note right there. Okay, so now we've got some notes in here. We can go and sort them by work right here, ideas right here. Look at the really cool visuals that we're getting right over here. Personal, grocery list right there, and then keto right there. So we can go and take a look at all these right here. If I wanted to just be able to click on these, like when we hover over and just open the note up, we can make that adjustment and tell it what we want it to do. Otherwise, you just click on edit and you can see your whole note in here. Click the nevermind to get out of there. Very simple note-taking app. We've got our database. We can go over here, take a look at this under data. We can go into notes and you can see all of the different note tests right over here, the keto blueberry muffin, the one that we put up right there as well. And then we have our different categories that we've created, like keto. That one was one that we actually created ourselves. Very simple, easy to do. This is a very simple app, but a pretty cool app. And then what you can do on this, you can build on the ways that you can look, like maybe they want to look at only 2 columns at once, or maybe they want to look at 5 note column. Maybe you can add that right there if you want as well, but very simple to create apps with Base44. There'll be a link below to check it out and for free. Also, if you made it this far in the video, type in vibe coding method. My new vibe coding course is coming out this Wednesday. So you want to make sure that you are on the lookout for that. It's going to be a low price, so everybody can get in and check out how I was able to use Base44 vibe code an app and bring it to market with free traffic and make over $1,000 in sales on the app. So that's coming out this Wednesday, just a couple days. Go ahead and type in vibe coding method in the comments below. And I know that you watched the entire thing and I know that you're semi-interested in the course. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.